Hello and welcome to our fourth lecture on 10x productivity. In this lecture, we are going to learn the rest of the things on Asana. In first lecture, we have covered broadly like how you can create tasks, how you can complete tasks, and how you can create project. In this lecture, we are basically going to see like how you can collaborate with your team members and how you can generate reports. All right. So let's say like just see over here, like last time we created one project which is building a website. So this project is available over here. I can just click on it and I can see progress in that project. How good is this? How good is this? All right. So you have this liberty of creating projects, creating tasks. So but let's say like if you want to assign tasks to your team member, all right, how you are going to do that? I'm going to create a task for them. I'll create an assigned task. I'll create task name, hire a backend engineer, and here I can give mail ID of my HR. Alright, I have to invite them first on this my workflow. Once I invite them, I can assign them over here and I can add project as well. So project is basically building a website. So I'll just select this building a website project and I'll click on create. I can add description as well. So I can assign task in this way to my team members, and by this like they can go through this task, they can complete this task, and they will be notified. All right. So all my team members will be like I can see my team members over here, and I can see like what they are doing, what tasks are they on, and this is a really good way to collaborate with your team. All right. Okay, so this is about creating tasks and creating projects. Let's go in our website building project once again, and let's see. Like we have this board view, but if we want list view, we'll be getting list view as well. All right, if you like this view is also really great. But if you want this view in calendar, you can go in calendar, and here you can make this like here you can create this in a such a fashion that you'll be like assigned with tasks, and your team members will be assigned with tasks on the calendar. So I'll click on create a task, hire, and I can hit enter, and this task will be created on 20. So your team will be aligned with your goals, and they will having a broad idea about timeline, and they will be knowing like which task is due on which date. You can also create a workflow. Workflow is little bit advanced, so you can create workflow from here. Here you can add like what kind of task you want and what kind of progress you want. Like let's say after like if you want to set hierarchy of tasks, after like complete this task, then complete that task, then complete that task. All right, so you can do it from workflow. And here is dashboard. Here is dashboard about this particular project. All right, so in this particular project, how many tasks are there, how many tasks are completed, how many tasks are incompleted, who is the highest amount, who has contributed to the highest in this project. All these things you can look over here in dashboard. How cool is this? Like we just spent like 2-3 minutes over here, and we are getting like dashboards, and we are getting like everything over here. How powerful is this tool? All right. And here is like there will be messages as well. Let's say if your team member wants to interact on this particular agenda of website building, they can send messages over here, and like you can just go through messages, and you can read this message, you can reply to this. This is basically like WhatsApp group. Let's say if we have some particular task, we create a WhatsApp group around that, right? So your team members can be part of these messages, and you can interact regarding this particular project. There will be files as well. If I want to share some particular files, I'll be sharing it over here, and this particular files your team members can access for this particular project. All right. So in insights, you can go on reportings. You can like in reportings, you can see like what kind of things you have done, and all the like your past things you can see in reportings. You can check on portfolio. In portfolio, you can there will be particular task for achieving that particular task. What kind of projects you created, what is the priority of that project, all these things will be covered in your portfolio. All right. And you can also set your goals in over here. So I can ask I can add my personal goal over here. My personal goal is drink 2 liters of water per day. I want to set timeline for this task till like let's say first quarter. Yeah, till quarter 2, and I want to keep this private to myself. All right. And for this, I have to set sub goals as well, so I can add sub goals, and in this sub goals I can add start drinking 1 liter, 1.5 liter, 2 liter, like this. All right. And measurement, I can add percentage, or I can add numeric value, or I can currency as well. All right. I'll click on save the goal, and now I have this goal in front of me, and I can edit in this goal. I can add information about this goal. I can add sub goals to this. My sub goal will be start drinking 1 liter from today. Alright, this sub goal is there, and I can just check out this sub goals, and I can set my goals in this way. This will be for your personal reference, and if you want to create some goal with team, you can do team goals as well. Good tool. You can use this. Let me know how you are finding this. If you are finding this useful, and this tool is increasing your productivity. Thanks a lot. Looking forward to seeing you in the next module.